evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. It does have a distinctive feel. The crowd rises for the national anthem of the United States. The United States have chosen to go 4-3-3. Jim, how do you see it?
Yeah, and the two wide players up front can make the system pretty much succeed or fail. They'll be quite flexible in their creative movement. They like to drift in. At times they'll mix their game up and keep their width. And of course they're also expected to track any runs from opposition fullbacks. So they've got quite hard-working jobs, but if they can gain a one-on-one advantage, they can dictate.
That's got things underway. Areola. McKennie tries to get it forward quickly. That's gone a long way up and away. That's nice. Pulisic goes for a sweeping cross. And out it... He's had a goal! Goal! The United States! And it's the United States who go in front. His position was perfect. The invitation was there for him. And his response... absolutely clinical.
Well, he made it obvious as to where the pass should be played, Peter, and it made the finish look that bit easier.
The United States go ahead, 1 goal to the good. Low towel. That's a throw. Bradley. Johnson gets it back. McKennie. And he's got the ball glued to his feet. Hoists it forward. Dest. Bradley. McKennie. Reed. A real chance to break. Low. And it's played forward. They're not going to make any further progress now. Areola pumps it into the area. The United States seem happy to let their strikers roam out wide.
I wouldn't want that.
No?
Yeah, well, my worry is that their main threat is being shifted out of contention.
Johnson concedes a free kick for that. Johnson is being told in no uncertain terms that this will be his final warning.
Yeah, and he has to change his ways, or this referee could soon change his status.
Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Forward it goes. Battles to win it back. Had a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. To get it away. Good challenge, he just stood firm. France. Lawrence plays it forward. And that has been clubbed away. Johnson, Morrison. Oh, it's Antonio. Johnson plays it out to the wing. Cross deflected behind for a corner. It away. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Bradley drives it forward. Areola gets his foot in there. And it's Antonio. Well, they can break here. Bradley. Pulisic, and that's been levered clear. Gets the chance to cross. Bradley. Well, they're looking at the referee, but he's waved play on. France. Lawrence. Bailey. Brings it forward. Bradley. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Dashing forward at pace. It's Antonio. It's Johnson! Goal! They have come roaring back. The movement so precise, the finish sumptuous.
Jamaica are such an adept counter-attacking team. They produced something out of nothing there. A few seconds was all it took for them to convert a defensive situation into a goal, and it's very impressive.
Number 16.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, look, Peter, there's a great ebb and flow to this clash, and it's above all expectations for me.
Plays it out to the flank. Oh, that is lovely footwork. Bradley, out towards the flank. Promising cross. And he heaves it forward. And he just whacks it away. Pulisic. That is terrific skill. That's a good ball to find it. And now the breakaway. Good ball. He's left his man. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. Morrison goes short. Pulisic is there to heave it away. And it's Morrison. Shapes to shoot! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Well, he doesn't need a second invitation, even from that range.
Mariappa tries to get it forward quickly. Played out to the right. What an adventurous run from a defender. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Forward it goes. Bailey. Lawrence. Johnson already, of course, on the score sheet. Over to the left. And it's played forward. Done very well to intervene. Lawrence. There is the half-time whistle. So a very watchable game so far. Action at both ends and the team's level. Second period then underway. Bradley hoists it forward, loses his balance and loses the ball. Just brushed off the ball there. And that's been won straight back. Pulisic gets away from his opponent. That'll be a throw-in. A heavy challenge. No foul, says the referee. Oh, that is asking for trouble. And it's hoisted clear. What a throw in. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Two changes being made right now. Kenny. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Defending of the desperate variety. Bradley. Out to the right. Nicely controlled. Oh, that's a fine challenge.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Stefan gets it upfield. Towel. Now, can he capitalise? Whipped in. Towering header! Couldn't get the direction he needed.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
France. Low. Tries to locate someone up front. Gone back to the keeper. Pulisic. McKennie. Pulisic. Played into the middle. Massive lead! To get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Well, he certainly got to the ball well enough, but the rest didn't quite come off for him.
There's going to be another change here. Lawrence, and it's Morrison. Played out to the right, and the counter is on. He gets past his man. Danger averted for now. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Nicholson spreads it towards the left. Ruth. A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
That was great pressure to force the initial error, Peter. It's the perfect example as to why this is a favourite tactic of a lot of teams these days.
McGeady. Nicholson. And that's sprayed out wide. Aimed in towards the centre. Timely intervention. Good challenge, he just stood firm. It's a fine challenge and it goes his way. Pepe. Bailey. Morrison goes, real chance! And he's there there to hoof it away. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. He certainly caught him there, it's a free kick. That is as far as they're going to go. Lawrence. Bailey gets it into the middle. Tries to get it clear. Tries to get it forward quickly. McKennie drives it forward. Bradley. Areola is onto it and can take it up. Diving header! Goal at his mercy, and somehow he's missed it.
Or maybe the tension around this game played a part in that, because he should have put them ahead then.
We have got changes here, for both sides in fact.
Number 26. Number 33, substitution.
Bradley hoists it forward. Low. Morrison. Out to the left it goes.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Couple of changes then in quick succession.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
He's in! Shoots! Oh, taken with style! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
I can give the keeper a little sympathy here, because I think he might have been slightly unsighted. However, credit where it's due, it's still a fine finish from a tight spot.
After 79 minutes, number 11.
The United States making consecutive changes here.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Well, I think you can write this lot off at your peril. It's been a joy to watch them hold themselves right back into it. Now, can they hang on?
Pulisic. McKennie. Pulisic. Time to deliver. McKennie. Has a goal! He's looking to get there, and they've been caught out here.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Pulisic.
The United States need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
Ball through needs to be good here.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now.
Reggae. Oh, really good feet from him. More pressure on the opposition goal.
The United States really are in the ascendancy here, and they know they have to register while that's the case.
We are into stoppage time. And the shot! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Bradley. Throw it. The United States have turned to their bench and we're going to have a substitution.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Pulisic. Oh, that's neat. Whistle's gone and they've got themselves a free kick.
It's just a silly one to give away at this stage of the game.
Bradley!
Not the worst effort, Peter. It just needed a bit more fine-tuning.
And there goes the final whistle. That's bounce-back ability, responding superbly to come from behind, shrugging off setbacks along the way, and determinedly getting there in the end. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Look, you often need resolve and resilience when under more pressure away from home, but I thought their efforts deserved that.
So thank you very much, Jim, for joining me. That brings us to the end of our coverage. So from us both, a very good evening.